All right, math legends. So let's see if you can solve this math problem first before I do. If you got the answer, let me know in the comment section down below and subscribe to get more challenges like this one. So we have 2 times 2 to the power of 2, or you can say 2 squared inside these parentheses. And then you have a division symbol here. So you're dividing by 2 divided by 5. And so to start, think of PEMDAS working from left to right according to its levels. And you should know that parentheses will go first. So whatever's inside parentheses, we start first, and then we see an exponent. So we'll start with the exponent. So 2 to the power of 2. So it's telling us to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2. It's not 2 times 2 is 4, and then to the power of 2, which gives you 16. No, you don't do that. You start with this one, 2 to the power of 2, because according to PEMDAS, you start with that one inside the parentheses, and then you multiply 2 times 4, which gives you 8. And then bring down the division symbol, the 2 down, the division symbol, the 5 down, and now we have 8 divided by 2 divided by 5. Next, we turn these into fractions to make the math easy. And we read from left to right, but because we just have division, we don't have to worry about the order. We just go from left to right. So 8 over 1 divided by 2 over 1. Let's use the keep, change, flip method. So we'll keep 8 over 1. We'll change the division symbol to multiplication. And then we're going to flip this fraction. So the 2 will go at the bottom of the fraction, and the 1 will go on top of the fraction. So it'll be written like this, 1 over 2. And then you'll get an answer, and then we'll do the same thing here. We'll keep, and then we'll change the division symbol to multiplication, and then we'll flip the last fraction. So the 1 will go on top of the fraction, and the 5 will go at the bottom of the fraction. So it'll be written like this, 1 over 5. And all you have to do now is just multiply across. So 8 times 1 is 8, times 1 is 8. Over 1 times 2 is 2, times 5 is 10. Now we have a fractional answer of 8 over 10, and that is a proper fraction. And we cannot turn this into a mixed number, but we can get a decimal using long division. So let me go ahead and do that here. So 8 will be the dividend. The 10 will be the divisor. So how many times can 10 fit into 8? You cannot. So that'll be 0. And so you multiply 0 times 10 is 0. And you subtract 8 minus 0 is 8. And now can 10 fit, how many times can 10 fit into 8? You cannot, so you're going to have to borrow. So we'll borrow 0. So I added a decimal after the 8 and a decimal after the 0 on top of the long division symbol. Bring down the 0, give it to the 8. Now it becomes 80. How many times can 10 fit into 80? 8 times. 8 times 10 is 80. And 80 minus 80 is 0. So you have a decimal answer of 0.8. And there you go.